So guys, update lang tayo. Visa Bulletin for December 2024 has been published here. So available na siya guys. So pag titingnan natin tong ating update ng December 2024 for AB3 categories, baba tayo dito. So this is the final action date guys for December 2024. So tong Visa Bulletin na to is third month for fiscal year 2025. So wala nga siyang movement. So walang changes for all the details dito guys. So dito sa third preference employment base, same pa rin yung cut-off niya. So nakatatlong buwan na to no, from October, November, December, Visa Bulletin. As I said, fiscal year 2025 hindi pa rin siya nag-move. So same cut-off date, November 15, 2022. So from rest of the world, mainland China, India, Mexico at saka yung Philippines. So once again guys, for AB3 final action date for December 2024 Visa Bulletin, so wala nga siyang movement. So anyway, wala tayong magagawa kundi maghintay na naman for the next Visa Bulletin dito sa inaabangan natin na update for the Visa Bulletin. So, yun guys, wala lang tayong pamasko ngayong darating na Christmas. So, yun lang yung quick update natin ngayon guys. Maraming salamat sa inyong panunod. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel.